Oh no! Oh no! Aw! Quack quack! Quack quack! Quack quack! Quack 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 quack. Well, hello everyone. I'm so emotional today. I gotta go get an oil change. Yeah, oil change, then maybe do some Star Wars shopping. Here we are at the car lot. Yeah, this is where I bought my car. So emotional. Yeah. I hope everyone's doing good and staying safe and wearing your mask. Yeah. Because you know it's the law. So wear it. Yeah. Wear your mask. Look at that Corvette. What a beautiful day. Yeah, look at all these cars. So many to choose from. Oh, why can't we go in those doors? Oh no. This is awful. I want to go in those doors. Do we have to walk all the way down to the next set of doors? Stupid COVID. Yeah. Debbie, you got your face mask on? It's the law.
Incense kiosk, please. Incense kiosk.
Oh, just hold on a minute. I gotta look at the backpacks. Yeah, I love backpacks. Backpacks are neato. You don't have any Star Wars backpacks. Huh. I want a Baby Yoda backpack, yeah. This is awful.
Assistant to entrance kiosk, please.
Where's the Star Wars backpacks? Debbie, come look at the Christmas sweaters.
That's okay, John.
Debbie, you don't want a Christmas sweater?
No.
Christmas is coming up. Maybe they got a Star Wars one. Huh. They got Mickey. Debbie,
No, John.
you like Mickey. I want a Star Wars one though.
I'm going to Hobby Lobby, John.
Wait. I want to find a Baby Yoda Christmas sweater. Oh, this is awful. They got Stitches. He almost looks like Baby Yoda. Way different color though. Debbie, I found the Star Wars stuff.
If you want tacos, we gotta get going.
Yeah, I love tacos. Baby Yoda. I haven't lost that much weight to wear that shirt yet. Debbie? Let's go to Hobby Lobby. I want to look at the cars. I love Hobby Lobby. Yeah. Hobby Lobby has the coolest cars. Yes.
Get your 40% off. Keep on.
We'll go Hobby Lobby, look at the cars. Kohl's was really expensive today. And they had no Baby Yoda backpacks or Christmas sweaters. And I went through the whole entire store, yes. They had some pretty cool toys though. They had Gravedigger, but I already have Gravedigger. Yeah, at least the ones that they had. Oh. It's a beautiful day out, yeah. I love Hobby Lobby. Oh, they got Christmas stuff too. Oh, look at all the Christmas stuff. And they got a clear chair. Look at that. You can see right through it. Debbie, there's a lot of people in here.
Johnny,
Yeah.
look.
Yeah. Debbie, look. Oh, Mickey. Mickey rugs.
Look at the one in the middle.
Yeah. Where's the Star Wars ones?
I don't know, there might be some somewhere.
Yeah. We did a Mickey and a Star Wars one. Darth Vader. I want to go look at the cars.
We can go look at the cars.
You let me know if you see a Baby Yoda rug. Or Darth Vader. Yeah. I love Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby's wonderful. Oh, and it gets in the Christmas spirit. All kinds of Christmas stuff. Debbie, I want to go look at Star Wars stuff. What's that? Debbie, where are you going? Debbie? Where are you going? I want to go look at Star Wars stuff. Huh? Okay. I'll be waiting out here. Debbie's going potty. Debbie, follow me. So we're going to get cheese dip, guacamole, and Star Wars toys, and then we're going to get tacos, right?
Maybe.
Debbie's not talking to me.
I thought you wanted to bang.
Yeah, I want to bang. I love bang.
I'm going this way.
Which way? Okay, I'll go look at Star Wars toys. I'll meet you over there. Oh, well, let's go get Mexican food. Yeah. Huh. You don't have any bang.
Need one of those on our front door.
Yeah. We got our tacos. Yeah.
That ain't all you got.
I'm getting ready to go home and eat. Yeah. I am starving.
All the money you should be.
I didn't spend any money today.
Oh, bull pucky.
Debbie, you gotta watch your language.
Bull pucky?
Yeah. What does bullpucky even mean? Oh. Oh, look at this. Taco al pastor, a side of rice, and a taco salad. Oh, we got chips somewhere. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Look at these tacos. Taco al pastor. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be my next car, yeah. I love Corvettes. Oh. Talk about getting emotional.
You've had a very emotional day, haven't you?
Yeah, I'm just super emotional today. I just want to go home and eat my tacos. Yeah, tacos and rice. And chips. It's gonna be delicious. Wow, this light's taking forever. I hope it's not broke. We'll be sitting here all day.
You could have walked home.
What, you don't think I could walk? I walk everywhere. And ride my bike. Debbie, I don't think the light's gonna change. Why don't you back up?
We got cars behind us.
That ain't good.
Get out and walk.
I'm like super hungry. And you know I get emotional when I'm hungry.
You get grumpy when you're hungry.
I'm not grumpy. I'm emotional.
Now you're starting to whine like a baby.